and that stops us for achieving our goal. So I request my class 12 students to concentrate on their studies only now, and the blessings of your teachers, the elders, the parents is there. God Almighty is always there with you. Accumulate enough strength, enough energy in you so that you can surpass any hurdle, so that nothing comes in your way of achieving your success. To class 11 children, I congratulate you for such a wonderful organization of the wedding farewell that you call, and good luck celebration that I presume it. From the core of my heart, as I have always said, from the assembly, from other gatherings on the Teachers' Day celebrations, this class 12 batch that had been always in the core of my heart, and today I could see a few of you really could not control your emotions when a boy did not raise his hand but of course tried to boast your principal, and you came forward and you tried to show your love for your principal. That was enough. You have won my heart again. Thank you. In fact, many a times I know I have hurt your feelings also. I have scolded you. I must have slapped you. All my scoldings, all my slappings must have been only because I love you. And that love that I had in my heart so much, that I never want my loved ones to get derailed or not on the right track. That was the only concern, that was the only worry that I had always in my heart, nourishing, that I always checked you. I always might have been to many of you, slapped also, maybe badly too. A few of you, I don't mention the name today, I know that how I started my concern for you and how I took you towards the journey of your life, and that you are going to end up here as a student life. One phase is gone. This will never come back, Shreya has said. So many things that you do in your normal life that you might repeat, but the student life in the school with uniform, teachers scolding you, checking you, saying so many things that is unpleasant to you for a moment because you are not rationally that strong, because you take the things with heart. Emotionally you are so charged that you really take the teacher's words as if something bad said to you. But all that bad that you interpreted had always been our duty. And if we really don't say anything on your doing something unexpected, that there we are failing our duty. And that is what we had always been trying to perform our duty on the top. That is why many a times we would have certainly done something that you didn't relish. But still, I know today you have shown your love for me, your concern for your teachers, the respect and reverence for your principal and teacher, that you have shown also. So you have won my heart again, but I would request every one of you now to concentrate on your studies only after dispersing from here. I know it is a memorable moment. I don't want to give you any hurt feelings or any unpleasant incident. I don't want to happen today. That is why I wish every one of you to maintain your equilibrium, to maintain your balance, and be rational on every approach of yours throughout your life. Now your childhood gone, you are entering to a life of adulthood. So be matured now, behave like adults behave, and have every concern for you first, love yourself first, and love the humanity. All the very best for your board exams. As Madam Sareen said, and other teachers also gave you the tips, that we had been number 1, Kendriya Vidyalaya OFD, had been number 1 last year in Dehradun city. All the Kendriya Vidyalayas, we were excelling as far as the result is concerned. This year, if really you can do something marvelous, still you have time to perform better, to equip yourself so well that your performance goes wonderfully well. So your performance, I am expecting this time, of course, 100% with quality, so that we can raise our nose in the region. As well as I wish many of you immediately get your success in your professional career wherever you wish. May God bless you every success. Thank you very much.